It's all going off here.
Oh. Morning.
That's doing a tablet.
I am.
Tracy's upstairs wrapping presents. She's been at it since 7 o'clock. Coughing as she goes.
Days and days she's been doing it.
Don't know anyone who buys so many presents.
That's
Tracy
Tracy.
does.
Yeah.
Bags of them. But most of them have gone off to Sheffield this morning.
With David.
With David and Alethea.
David's
Family,
two
yeah.
daughters and his son live in Sheffield.
The whole family lives
And
in
his dad,
Sheffield.
yeah, they do. All his sisters live in Sheffield, don't they? And she buys loads of presents for grandchildren, David's grandchildren, doesn't she?
Mm. We were go outdoors last night. Well, tea time-ish,
Yeah, she bought David a
jumper.
from there, didn't she?
Yeah. Alright.
I got a jumper. I got a weird fish, which we've never been able to afford weird
We had a
fish.
massive sale on in there. 50% off. Tell you the shops are not doing
As well
as well as they thought and slashing the prices.
Yeah,
Because they're really expensive, a weird fish.
yeah. They had weird fish t-shirts, 2 for £20.
Yeah, that's cheap. I went down to Van yesterday afternoon with that lens for that rear light, and I thought it was wrong. I'd got the wrong thing, didn't I? Well, I am. It's the right thing, but how to fit it? Good grief! It fits. You know, all these motorhomes, they all have these fiberglass pieces, don't they? Round body at bottom, corner pieces. Well, it fits into a corner piece. There's one on either side. Well, to get it out, the corner piece is hollow. You go under the van and put your hand up, it's hollow. Inside you can feel where the light fits is inside, but you can't see now. I don't know what's holding it in. Anyway, it was cold, wet and windy. So I thought I'm not messing about with this in this weather.
It's
So,
always
and I
cold,
didn't
wet
have a
and
light.
windy.
I needed a light to have a look in that. I don't know whether you have to take corner piece off to do it. There's the fog light, the rear fog light fits into that centre hole. That's why there's no in that hole. The fog light is fixed. It's part of that corner piece. It goes inside that hole. I've never had fog light on. I don't know where the switch is for it actually, to be honest. Must work because it's always gone through MOT. Anyway, I reckon we're all done and dusted.
This is going to be confusing, isn't it?
What were you doing yesterday, darling?
Oh, I made sausage rolls and mince pies.
Oh, I filmed it. Yeah, I filmed it. Here it is.
Hello.
So we've got some mince pies going on here. Sausage rolls in the oven. What you putting in, what you using for mince? Oh, that jar there.
Mince meat.
Mince meat.
Bought. And this is bought pastry, I'm afraid.
Oh.
Hmm?
Fine.
No. Well, that, yes. Should fit on that, shouldn't it? It's popped open.
Oh, there.
Isn't there?
Yeah, I've got that.
Popped up. Right,
Oh, that
what
was,
else did I do?
he usually does bake.
Yeah, I like to do a little bit. I mean, we cheated really because we bought pastry, puff pastry and ordinary pastry. So that's what takes your time, isn't it?
Making pastry.
Letting it rest, and especially if you do puff pastry, you're mixing all your butter and your fat together and putting dobs on and then folding it and then twisting
Oh,
it.
they all come up with that idea.
No, I don't
You don't
know.
know who invents these things, do you?
No,
How the hell do you come up with that?
no. Let them rest.
There weren't many in go outdoors.
No, they won't, are they?
No?
No. So I've got 4 oval ones that are avastatin, and then I've got 3 round ones from a new pack that are avastatin. Talk about confusing you. Why you can't get the same shape for everything, I don't know. That's for night time. That's the night time one. What's that?
Put some more in daily compartments. Right, carry on.
Oh no. And the trouble is when they keep changing shape of them, I get a bit lost sometimes. I have to study it. What's going on?
Oh, getting lost. That was permanently lost.
Aren't we permanently lost, yeah? Right.
I watched a film last night with Goldie Hawn, Chevy Chase and Dudley Moore. It was good. And don't ask me what it was called.
What was it about? What were they doing? What were they trying to do?
Well, wait a minute. Let me recall. Yeah, she was driving her car, which was a yellow, I think it was a yellow, was it a Fiat or a Volkswagen, I can't remember now. And there was somebody broke down side of the road, so she gave him a lift. And he put a film in a cigarette packet and put it in her bag.
Oh, heck.
And this was the witness. It was there was a plot. Some guys were going to kill the Pope. The Pope were visiting New York, and they were going to kill him, the Pope. And so these villains were after this fella, and of course they found out that he'd get this. She had it. Goldie Hawn had no idea she had it.
Right.
And Dudley Moore was a sort of a bit of a sex pervert, really, in it. He was. She met him in a bar, and they went back to his house, and his whole house was given over to It was like a brothel.
Oh.
And you would have blow up dolls in a cupboard and all sorts.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it did. But it was funny. It wasn't seedy. It was just funny. But I did try to watch a film with Robin Williams in it, and that was. I couldn't watch that. I turned it off. God, he has made some weird films.
Some good ones.
Yeah, he has.
Some
Yeah, he has made
strange
some.
ones.
Yeah, he has. Was he got older?
Yeah, I think he
Got more
he suffered with depression. I think,
and it come out in his movies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, angry. Always angry. But not in this one, he was. No, he was another pervert.
Lots of perverts about one. Oh dear.
You start watching these films, you know, and they start going down a track, and you think, oh no, I don't wanna know about this. Come out of them.
Right. 2, 4, 6.
Ah, well. It's all over about shouting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crazy. It is a crazy time of year, honestly. It never ceases to bewilder me. The film I watched, Goldie Hawn was young, it was in the 70s. Chevy Chase, I said, didn't I?
Yeah.
And Dudley Moore.
Yeah.
I mean, Goldie Hawn, she's about 9 months older than me.
Is she?
Yeah. You think she was born in 46?
Right.
Well,
no
more.
I like Goldie Hawn. I liked her in that film with Steve Martin. I've liked her in a couple. We liked her in Overboard, didn't we?
That were hilarious.
Gosh, I mean, we must have watched that 3 times because we just think it's so hilarious.
First time I saw that.
I creased.
Oh, bloody creased.
Yeah, and then I liked her in that Steve Martin one where House Sitter was it?
House Sitter.
Yeah, where she sort of took over his house that he'd built for this girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
And this girlfriend really wasn't for him, although they'd known one another since they were young, I think. And she ended up living there, didn't she, in the house. What other one? Oh, I liked her when she was in that army one, where she joined army, because she was going to get married and she ran away or something like that. I liked a few of her films.
That one I watched of the monkeys, it was the title that attracted my attention because it was called Some Like It Lukewarm. And I thought that was really funny.
Yeah. I've got to a part where I need one more tablet and I can't remember which one it is. I know there should be 7 in these boxes, but there's only 6. 6? Which one is it?
She's on 7 a day, in fact.
Well, in the morning and then 4 at night. Candace started.
Yeah, but you only take 7 tablets, or is it 8?
8.
Oh well.
Yeah, I've got to find that the other one, so
Well,
I'll have to wait a minute while I can.
Christmas Day tomorrow.
Yeah. Supposedly going to have a good breakfast in the morning, aren't we?
We're going to have a cooked breakfast.
Tomorrow.
And then later on we're going to have steak and chips.
Yeah.
We've got another hair, look. All us pulling hairs off her. Like a mobile bird's nest.
Mobile bird's nest.
Alright folks, so we usually film on a Christmas day.
We
I
do.
did last year.
Yeah, we go.
Yeah, set camera up and open all our
Oh,
presents.
don't jump down there, Ernie. It's a bit big. That step. He's looking over, look.
There's Ernie.
Oh, he's deciding. No.
Can you see
oh,
him?
has he got an hair in his mouth? Look.
Was it?
Whose hair's that? You've got dangling. Where?
Shoves his head straight in, look.
Ernie, look, he's got a cobwebby thing. Ah, Ernie. Ernie. Oh. Oh. I'm going to give you a bath now. You can have a strawberry.
You're going to have his bath and his strawberry now.
At Christmas. Before you get some proper food.
Alright folks.
Tracy says that strawberries are like feeding something to elephants.
Strawberries to elephants.
Strawberries to elephants, to feeding Ernie with strawberries. They're like cream buns.
Yeah, they are treats. They should be treats.
Well, he hasn't had any this week. This
right.
will be the first one he's had. So,
Yeah.
Okie doke. We'll say bye-bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye.